Welcome! In today's video, you'll learn how to allow show authors profiles for your admins on your Telegram channel using Telegram Web on your PC. This feature is part of Telegram's latest update and gives your channel a more transparent and professional touch by showing who posts each message. Let's get started. First, open Telegram Web on your browser. Make sure you're logged into the account that has administrative access to the channel you want to configure. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side of your screen and open the channel where you want to enable this option. You'll see the channel name and profile picture at the top of the chat window. Next, click on the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon, at the top of the page. This will bring up several settings and management options for your account and channels. From here, find and select your channel again to open its settings menu. Now, click on Edit. This section is where you can modify your channel info, description, and admin settings. After that, choose Administrators from the list. You'll now see all the admins who help manage your channel. Look for the option that says Show Authors Profiles. This is the setting that allows your audience and other admins to see which team member publishes each post on the channel. Enabling it is simple. Just check the box beside Show Authors Profiles. Once you've done that, click on the tick or save icon at the top to confirm your changes. Telegram will instantly apply the new setting, and from now on, any post made by an admin will display their profile name,